Welcome to Learner's Planet, my dear children. Children, in the previous session of health and hygiene, we discussed about diseases and the major category of diseases, that is non-communicable and communicable disease. So children, this is session 9 about health and hygiene, in which we are going to study about hygiene and the importance of hygiene in our life. So children, let's start with this session and learn about hygiene. Yes children. So children, first of all, we should know that what is meant by hygiene. Children, as you can see here, hygiene may be defined as the conditions and practices that help to maintain health, good health, and prevent the spread of diseases, that is communicable as well as non-communicable diseases. So children, preventing any kind of the spread of disease and maintaining good health by the conditions and the practices is known as hygiene. So what are actually the conditions and practices? They are very simple. They are just some steps which we have to take care. By that we can maintain hygiene, through which we can maintain our good health. So children, it is a specific set of practice which is associated with the preservation of health, preservation of our health, right? So to preserve our health and to keep our health in a very good and proper and healthy condition is actually termed as hygiene. So children, keeping your body clean is an important part of keeping you healthy and helping you to feel good about yourself. So this is all about hygiene. Alright children? So children, it is a set of practice which is associated with preservation of health. For example, environmental cleaning, hand hygiene, water hygiene, and sanitation means maintaining cleanliness and safe disposal of all the harmful waste. So children, there are some regular hygienic practices which are considered as good habits. So children, maintaining good habits creates a good hygiene. Alright, and good hygiene helps in preventing us from various kinds of harmful diseases. So children, you will be amazed to know that hygiene is an old concept which is related to personal and professional care practices. That means both of them. Personal care and professional care practices, right? So in ancient times people used to maintain this, and that is why in such modern days there are many techniques or tools through which we can maintain our health. But the way we can maintain our health, the best way is the natural way. We will see which is the natural way and how we can keep ourselves healthy. So children, in short, hygiene means cleanliness, and this cleanliness or the cleaning process includes body hygiene, sleep hygiene, mental hygiene, dental hygiene, etc. So children, let's have a look at some steps which are very much essential and necessary for us so that we can maintain proper hygiene. So children, there are some steps for maintaining proper hygiene. So let's have a look at it and do listen carefully. So children, we should bath daily, alright? At least once a day, alright children? And it is also important to wash hands with soap, that is an antiseptic soap specifically, and water before and after having meals or food. Alright children? So children, even it is very important to wash hands with an antiseptic soap after going to the toilet. So children, the world around us is surrounded by many organisms, microorganisms, the harmful organisms, and some bacteria are found on our bodies also, right? So children, in countries where food is eaten and prepared with bare hands, extra attention has to be paid to the cleanliness of hands, alright? For example, if you are going to any hotel or any restaurant, right? And if the waiter is serving food with his bare hands, then the waiter should take care that he has properly washed his hands before serving it to you. So children, this is very much important. So wherever the food is eaten or prepared and even served with bare hands, extra attention has to be paid to the cleanliness of hands first. So we should wash our hands thoroughly with antiseptic soap after each and every meal or before meal, and even after going to the toilet. So children, soaping and rinsing should cover the areas between your fingers, even your nails and the back of the hand, alright? And hands should be dried with a clean towel after wash, not with a dirty towel, right? Otherwise, there is no use of cleaning your hands with soap and water if you are drying with a dirty towel, right? So keep that also in mind. So children, while handling food, avoid scratching or touching the ears, nose, mouth, etc. or any other part of your body. While eating, you must only eat. Do not scratch or touch any part of your body. And if you need to use a handkerchief or tissue, wash your hands after that and keep your nails short. So children, we should also take proper care of our eyes and ears also, because that is also very much important. So in short, we must take care of each and every part of our body. Alright children? So let's see another thing which is very much important and we should take care of. Yes, we must take care of our teeth also, and we must take proper care of our hair, and we should keep our fingernails short, as we discussed, because short nails make less trouble. Clip nails short along their shape, and don't cut them so close that it pinches the skin, because it can hurt your skin. So children, a healthy body ensures healthy nails, and do not keep your nails painted continuously. Alright? This is especially for girls, that do not keep your nails painted continuously. And also for you children, do not paint it with colors and oil paints or anything which can damage your nails. Alright children, which can make your nails dirty. So take care of them, because you are eating food with the help of your hand, which also includes your nails also. Alright children, so keep that in mind. So children, we must keep our surroundings also very clean, and as you can see here, we must take proper care of our hair. Wash your hair regularly with shampoo and massage your scalp well, so that it will remove dead skin cells, excess oil and dirt also, and then rinse it well with the clean water. And always use a wide toothed comb for wet hair, as it is easier to pull through the hair. So children, these are some of the steps you should take care. Let's see another steps children. Yes, children, tiny dust particles stick to our body every day, and especially during summer season our body sweats a lot. So children, sweat causes dust particles to cling to our body, and these dust particles can attract germs and cause diseases. So children, bathing removes dust and sweat and makes our body clean. So children, always remember that bathing is very important, because it removes dust and sweat and makes our body very clean. So children, we should bath daily, because it keeps our body clean and free of germs. Alright children, let's see other step. Yes, children, as you know that soil contains germs. Yes, and when we come in contact with soil, these germs are transferred to our hands. So children, do take care that these germs enter our body and they cause diseases if we eat anything using our dirty hands. So children, it is very important to wash hands with soap, right, as we discussed. And children, you should take care while you are eating food and also while you are playing. Alright children, so children, let's see another step which is very important for maintaining health. Yes, children, eyes are very important part of our body, right, because we can see through our eyes, and we should avoid reading under bad light, that means dim light, as dim light can damage the eyes, right? So always read under good light, that is the light like tube light, not under the bulb, right, where there is very much light. Okay, so you should read under such light, not the dim light. So children, it is advisable to wash eyes with cold water frequently, as it keeps your eyes very clean and even in a cool condition, right? So you will feel very relaxed after washing it with cold water. So children, also take care and always remember that regular eye tests are also a must for us. So we should consult doctor, or we should visit doctor regularly for the regular eye tests, so that our eyes will be in a very proper and healthy condition. Alright children, okay, now let's have a look at another step. Yes, children, our ears have a self-cleaning mechanism, means it cleans by itself, and it normally do not require any cleaning. from outside, or from it do not require any cleaning by any other person, right? Because it has a self-cleaning mechanism. So children, we must avoid poking sharp objects like nails or something like knife. We do not use knife, or we do not poke such sharp objects, but any other small needle like sharp objects, we should not poke it into our ear, as it can cause damage. So children, do take care of this thing, and always remember and always follow this step, so that your ears will be in a proper condition. Alright children, let's see other step children. Yes children, teeth must be brushed at least twice daily. For that, a special kind of thread called as floss, as you can see here in this picture, it is used for cleaning teeth. So you should use this floss for cleaning teeth, because regular flossing removes food particles which are trapped in between our teeth and which are very hard to remove. So instead of using any sharp object or needle-like object, you should use floss, as flossing will remove food very easily. Okay children, so food particles which are trapped in between the teeth can be removed very easily by regular flossing. So children, it is also very important. As you know children, that an adult human being has 32 teeth and 16 in each jaw. Even our mouth has 4 different kinds of teeth, as we studied in last grade, right? Premolars, molars, incisors and canines, right? So children, do you remember that each tooth is covered with a hard substance called as enamel, and our teeth are embedded in gums, and healthy gums are a must for a healthy teeth. So children, teeth need to be kept clean to prevent their decay. So we should visit our dentist for a checkup once every 6 months. And some toothpaste that contain fluoride, a substance which is believed to strengthen the teeth. So we should use such toothpaste which contain fluoride. Alright, but not in a high amount, in a very less amount. So children, there are some other steps also which you should keep in your mind, is that wash your feet at least once a day and dry them carefully, especially between the toes. And if you go swimming a lot, or if you use public showers, then you need to be careful to wash your feet and dry them well. Alright children, and do also take care that you should always wear clean clothes, right? Because underclothes are right next to your skin and they collect very dead skin cells, even sweat and other stains. So children, overnight bacteria starts to work on these stains so that your clothes do not smell nice on the second day of wearing, right? So children, if you have to wear a school uniform, then take it off as soon as possible as you get home, right? And hang it up to the air before you wear it next day, because your school uniform will not be washed every day, right? So if it is washed, then it is very good, but if it is not washed every day, if you do not have another pair, then do take care that you take it off as soon as you get home and hang it up to the air before you wear it next day. Alright children, and even take care when you wear your shoes. So keep your shoes clean by brushing, polishing or washing. They will look better and last longer, and they will be very less likely to smell. Alright? So children, bathing is also very much important. Even wearing clean shoes is important. Wearing clean clothes, keeping your hair clean, keeping your feet dry and clean, even your hands, right? And remember children, nothing smells better than a clean skin, right? So do not use or spray perfume or deodorants because they are not a good substitutes for a shower or wash, right? So always remember this, that nothing smells better than a clean skin, not even a perfume or a deodorant. Alright children? So children, these were the important steps for which that if we will follow them, then it will be very much good for our health, and in this way we can maintain hygienic conditions and keep our body in a healthy condition. So children, I hope that you enjoyed this session and you will implement and you will follow these steps. Alright children? So children, we will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying and keep yourself clean. Thank you.